good evening. Like you, I'm just discovering the music and enjoying it. It will be our main subject today. Normally you start a meeting saying 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. But I will not do that. It will be 7, 4, 2. And I have to explain that. 7, there are 7 notes in a scale in Western music. So that's important. 4 is the number of nucleobases. You know, the GATCs, we'll all learn the DNA code. That's also important for our session. And 2 are these 2 ladies here. That's the partnership between Deirdre Gribbin and Sarah Teichmann. And the whole session will be about the fruits of their partnership. And this is about a piece of music called Hearing Your Genes Evolve. Now, keep in the back of your mind, it's also something about communication with science, about science. Musically, you will see it's something which is boundless, which is experimental, and therefore it should be inspiring. Now, let me introduce the 2 co-authors, so to say. I will start with Deirdre Gribbin, who is a composer of orchestral music. She's from Northern Ireland. She was born in Belfast in 1967, some time ago. She studied in the UK, but also in Denmark, where she learned composition in particular. I know that was dear to her heart. And when she reached the age of 21, she produced her first opera called A Persephone. So, not everybody is writing operas at 21. In 1999, she got a Fulbright fellowship to go to Princeton, so spending some time in North America, and that had some influence on her work. And as a matter of fact, in 2003, she got an award from UNESCO for her orchestral work called Empire States. So the connection with North America is pretty obvious there. There are a number of highlights in her musical professional career, but I just picked a few. I noted in 2005 the Venice Blazing Tour, and when we were chatting before, Deirdre told me it's something which resembled a bit of a rock tour, going to several cities. 2013, last year, she got a fellowship from the Sir Winston Churchill, and that's helping push further her work. Currently, Deirdre is lecturing composition at Trinity College of Music in Greenwich. Now, the second partner is the scientist one, and that's Sarah Teichmann. Sarah is a pure European product, if I may describe her that way. She was born in 1975, but I had to dig hard to find that date. And because in 1993 she came out of the European School, and for people like me who work in the European Commission, European School means a lot. All our kids go there, and she graduated. She got a baccalaureate in Karlsruhe, and like most of the most brilliant students there from the European School, what do? They go to Cambridge. And indeed, Sarah is very much a Cambridge girl, because in 1996 she got her BA in biochemistry, then in 2000 her PhD in molecular biology, and since February of last year she is having important functions. She's Principal Research Associate in Cambridge, Research Group Leader at EMBL, European Molecular Laboratory, and Senior Group Leader at the Wellcome Trust, the Sanger Institute. She is in the field of bioinformatics, very much a theoretician, but then another important European feature of her is she's also an ERC starting grantee. And I think I had the pleasure to sign the contract of Sarah some time ago. And this, she said, and I'm very glad she said that, it's a life-changing thing. For the career of young researcher, it really makes a difference. And she's now carrying a lot of work, including experimental, with her lab. Now, the piece itself, it's called Hearing Your Genes Evolve. There was a world premiere in Greenwich at the International String Quartet Festival in April last year. It will feature in a film, a documentary, sometime in June. But now Deirdre and Sarah will tell you about the genesis, and I should even say the genetics of this piece of music. So please, Sarah and Deirdre, the floor is yours. Please, no picture, that's a request I'm making. The whole thing is filmed anyway. Thanks.
Thank you.